Hey everyone, so if you're worried about the price, never forget Robinhood will most likely have our back. What's going on everyone? Thank you so much for dropping a like. If you want a free bonus of $2,300, all you have to do is click on the links in the description. They give you an exclusive bonus only available on this channel. Now, kindly request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin, and you can see, come on guys, we forgot about this. We didn't forget about this, but obviously we're waiting for Coinbase to act now. It has 173,000 petitions signed, which is a crazy number, and I think eToro already listed it, so they definitely did. But what we're waiting is for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu, and that's when the prices could come out and explode for all of the three coins, for Bone, for Leash, and SHIB. A lot of people are not happy with Robinhood, but I think it could potentially have a huge recognition, a huge influx of new buyers from Robinhood to more holders. I definitely do hope it happens. Even at some point, we're still waiting on confirmation from Robinhood itself because there's been a massive demand. Now, Robinhood has been having a few issues. They have been having lawsuits. They have been improving the crypto page. And as they improve the crypto page, as they have done more things to actually get regulated in more countries, we are seeing influencers coming back to crypto. So Tyrone Magnus is a holder. Another YouTuber over here, you can see like a Shiba shirt. So Shiba Inu is bigger than you might expect. But here's what I saw. I know there's a lot of controversy between Saitama Inu, the coin that died in one day, but it didn't really die. The user base of Saitama is an infant stage right now. A lot of people are talking about Saitama Inu. I haven't researched too much into it, but the point was there have been a ton of SHIB paper hands who have jumped ship for a month after the swap launched because when Lambo didn't happen in a week in search for the next Lambo, only to liquidate their SHIB assets to buy a new coin on a data that was at its highest. That's why we saw the price crash. Just to watch the rug get pulled from under and they got dumped their wad on Saitama when it was and just to watch. People are talking. The most important topic right now is Saitama or Shiba Inu. Obviously, I'm always going to be sticking with SHIB on this channel. If I create, a Saitama Inu channel, it will be a new channel. But unfortunately, never happened. We have now watched 3 heavy growth cycles with Doge not receiving any of the capital. 1 or 2 more growth cycles without any recovery for Doge will be the death sentence. So right now, Doge is not growing, and that's the crucial thing. Doge has any holders. Is there millions of people who are upside down with no existing strategy? They either liquidate and take on the losses or hold and hope for some miracle to happen. So Doge needs to see some growth so Shiba Inu can see some growth. It's very hard to understand this, which I do apologize. But the most important factor here is while Doge, it kind of dropped by a big price and it has a bigger market cap, Shiba Inu has now weathered 2 cycles with steady stabilization. It didn't go up, it didn't go down because we got some exclusive partnerships. And these are incredibly good signs for a coin as an actual viable coin and not some meme for Facebook investors to pump and dump. And we could potentially be seeing Shiba Inu climbing back to at its highest. The most important factor here, it seems like people have lost their hope on Doge. The Doge will not stabilize and grow. However, SHIB will. In fact, the entire community consists of people who have the dream of being rich without any effort. This is not a community. This is a gabble of grifters and leeches. So basically, I don't agree with this, but we are going to be seeing a lot more. When SHIB was at its highest, there was less than 2,000 holders. So that statement makes no sense. The vast majority of the people who got into SHIB came along after the at its highest. Statistically, there are no holders left that were in during the at its highest. The vast majority of current holders have made money and continue to do so via rewards in Shiba Swap, which are not factored in the current price. If you have money in Shiba Swap, you're making money. So the most important factor here is Doge had its growth. Now it's time for Shiba Inu to grow. It's time for Shiba Inu to rise back up and get to those points. Doge has been performing really, really well. They think Doge still has potential. If they get the developers on board, sure. But right now, it's not looking so good for Doge. You can see altcoin gains triggered a decline in Bitcoin dominance. And active Bitcoin and addresses surged 30% in the late July. Which very well means that more holders and everyone else is coming into crypto. The amount of Bitcoin held on addresses storing between 100 and 10,000 Bitcoin has hit 9.23 million Bitcoin for the first time ever. So we're breaking barriers for Bitcoin, and as Bitcoin holders are coming back, it's only a matter of time before we see that big growth from Bitcoin itself. So in terms of active addresses in the past week of July, with active Bitcoin entities rising 30% from 250,000 to 325,000 active users. According to Glassnode's 7-day exponential moving average statistics of active Bitcoin entities, this is the biggest surge recorded after the number of active Bitcoin entities dropped 41% to. So we have a lot of statistics over here, but look at this. There wasn't a lot of active wallets for Bitcoin, and now there is. And with Bitcoin's price going up, it's only a matter of time before we're going to be seeing Shiba Inu's price going up. Because look at this, we're breaking barriers. We never saw such a big active outreach in such a fast time. From no activity in July, in just a few days, we got a 30% increase. So we check this later on, but alongside a significant uptick in the active Bitcoin users, Bitcoin investors have been accumulating larger amounts of cryptocurrency in the late July. So they have been buying in on SHIB. You know, everyone is buying crypto, but especially Bitcoin. Right now, as Bitcoin grows, next step is altcoins growing. So if we check over here, Bitcoin is still being accumulated. You know, we saw these prices, and activity basically means that more and more people are going to be buying. So that's really exciting to see, because look at this. Crypto funds see 4 consecutive weekly outflows as institutions diversify holdings. So institutions, as I predicted, are now buying into cryptocurrencies, not only Ethereum, not only Bitcoin, all cryptocurrencies. Institutional investors are diversifying into altcoins amid the latest market downturn. And one of them, you know, is Germany investing into SHIB. Now, multi-asset investment products registered another sharp rise on weekly inflows. And we can see digital asset investment products saw cumulative outflows totaling 20 million. So what this means is there's less and less crypto on the market as they're starting to stack up on crypto. They have a lot of money. Really, a lot of money, and 20 million being gone this week. Funds dedicated to Ethereum saw weekly outflows totaling 9.5 million. By comparison, Bitcoin funds have seen cumulative outflows totaling 68 million over the same period. So multi-asset funds have attracted 12 million in inflows over the past few months. Institutions continue to have significant exposure to cryptocurrency investments. By CoinShare calculation, the major fund providers have a combined 45 billion in assets under management. Institutional exposure could rise in short term if the bullish case for a 4-year market cycle is validated. So in the short term, we're going to be seeing crypto going back up. And that's really exciting to see. I do want to see crypto go back up, especially Shiba Inu. But Saudi Aramco dismisses false and inaccurate rumors on Bitcoin mining. So Saudi's biggest oil exporter denied claims of involvement in Bitcoin mining activities, but continues to bet on blockchain-focused businesses. So they are investing, in fact, or that's what it seems like, into blockchain businesses. He's not mining Bitcoin, but the thing that's happening is, it seems like, from what I'm seeing, is that they are investing into crypto. So that's really, really, really exciting. You know, extensive history of investing in blockchain firms, as reported by Cointelegraph, was part of a $6 million deal for developing a commercial blockchain network. So blockchain still has a lot of potential. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we are going to be seeing SHIB's prices grow due to this news. Peace, everyone.